So what's up, everyone? Yesterday I went to a buddy's track, and what ended up happening was that this guy lost the top of the shock. Watch this, look. So lost the top of the shock and bottom here, just known weak point in the cars. So I'm switching over these RPM arms into here and putting these guys back here because this is one of my rental cars that I have for my track. And since the track isn't exactly heavy duty and heavy wear, plus the bumper's doing a good chunk of the work, better just switch these, make them normal, and have them over here. We're going to be installing these guys instead. The aluminum rear Okay, so update. I painted this because I want to go see how it runs tomorrow. Like, how do I explain it? I want to see the damage, what gets worn and torn and stuff like that. Out of the new servo, I guess stock servo. This is painted with this guy, the Sharpie. I didn't want to pull out my acrylic paints and because I don't think they're gonna stick that well. But yeah, it's pretty good. The low end, the back seems to be pretty pretty low because of all the weight back here. I mean, are you seeing the size of this bumper? Look at this. It is huge. Look at it compared to that. Yeah, it's pretty big. And then there's just all that stuff. I'll probably put like thicker springs, maybe. I might do that, but I don't know. You can see the gearing there. It's the stock one with like a 20 tooth pinion, 23 I think. And then just the SLT that I got for pretty cheap from an infraction. Yeah, so that's the stuff that I have right now. So, a couple things happened. For one, the little mount for the GoPro, cheap one, broke. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, forgot to get that. Didn't know. Back here, bunch of dirt for some reason. I didn't think so much dirt would be coming here. Shocks. These guys popped a couple times, like the inside one over here for the steering link, and this one popped out. Let's see. As you could see, one of the kingpins fell off, and because of that, the car's a bit iffy, but still works.